I don't think everyone has to go to a 4-year university to be successful in life. I think there's other routes to the end goal, and I think the trades is one of those routes, and I want them to be more aware and use this as a launching pad to possibly steer them another direction, or confirm that they don't want to go that direction and go to a 4-year university or tech school instead. First of all, the goal of the course is to get students exposed to the trades so they can kind of figure out whether or not that might be a direction that they want to go, but then also give them some entry-level work experience. So if they do decide to go into the field, contractors aren't starting at ground zero. They have some experiences under their belt that they can capitalize on.
We knew coming out of the recession that there'd be a shortage of labor, especially in the trades, and that's exactly what's happened. So, these kids really are our lifeblood to the industry. We can produce thousands of block and thousands of square footage of veneers, but if we don't have the personnel and the people to put them on, it does nobody any good.
Organized all these partners, and they donated the supplies and said, hey, we're on board, let us know what you need from us. And Alex Forer at Larry Marr Construction developed these mock-up plans that we're then building this mock-up of a house with to give kids all the skills that they need. The goal of the course is to give them exposure and let them see the phases of the project and how to do each phase.
And so they had a field on-site visit, which was fantastic. They actually saw the masons doing hands-on before they then did their own hands-on in class.
Steve Peter was able to organize concrete block being donated and lime and sand. And Pete Lane also helped out by giving the kids some hands-on training, showing them how to mix the mortar, how to slap it down, and how to strike their joints and everything else so that we could build a foundation for this mock-up, because that's where the entire project started.
Guidance counselors, the superintendents, and even the parents. The parents now realize that these different trades can allow these kids a very viable, family-supporting job.
I'm just very thankful that we have a strong community in Marathon, that I was able to find 5 different partners to help out in each of the various trades and donate supplies and materials and their time with their expertise.
I think and hope this is only the start of what will generate into a continued class, not only here but in other high schools statewide.